Our eyes are our portals to seeing the world. They are unique, specialized organs, occupying a special place in our faces, but they deserve and need very special care. Eyes are constantly working when we are awake, and with the proliferation of computer and smartphone usage, many people are experiencing eye strain and dryness as a result. Omega-3 supplementation has been shown to improve dry eye symptoms. Omega-3s provide multiple benefits by offering dry eye relief as well as being good for the skin due to their important role in the maintenance of the skin's permeability barrier. We often think about the cosmetic attributes of our skin, the way it looks and feels, but maybe we should be looking a little deeper. The skin performs a myriad of functions that play an important role in contributing to overall health. The skin is your body's largest organ, equaling about 15% of your total body mass and serving many vital functions, including regulating your body temperature and water content. It is also your first line of immune defense, providing a physical barrier between you and the rest of the world. Different areas of skin are known to have different measures of thickness, hydration, elasticity, and pH, and therefore have different needs. A prime example of these differences is how the skin around the eyes, known as the eye contour area, differs from the rest of the face. The eye contour has the thinnest skin on the face, making it most delicate and susceptible to wrinkling. The general rules for good skin care through a holistic approach do apply to the delicate eye area. Nourishing and hydrating the skin from the inside out and outside in, getting adequate sleep and managing stress, respecting skin pH by avoiding harsh chemicals, and minimizing as far as possible environmental drying effects such as heating, air conditioning, and sun exposure. Nutrition is vital to skin health and active cell renewal. Research has shown that a balanced, healthy diet that includes a variety of nutrients like polyphenols, essential fatty acids, CoQ10, and prebiotics and probiotics helps protect against extrinsic skin aging effects. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet high in vitamin C and linoleic acid, and omega-6, is associated with a less wrinkled appearance. Another study linked a high intake of vegetables, olive oil, and legumes with reduced skin damage from the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays. While those who consumed a lot of meat and dairy tended to be more susceptible to sun damage and thus wrinkling. However, the eye clearly has specific care needs, which can be addressed by using topical products designed for the eye area. As the face ages, there are changes in facial structure that contribute to the appearance of aging. The outer corners of the eyes droop as they age due to changes in skin structure where elastic fibers weaken and collagen production decreases. Another important structural change is the shift in fat distribution over time. There are fat deposits underneath the skin, and over time, the volume of certain deposits changes and the fat pads spread and shift downward, partially due to gravity. This spread contributes to a look of hollowness in the under-eye region because there is less padding. The skin around the eyes, or eye contour area, is quite different from the rest of the skin on the face and thus has unique features and needs. The thinnest skin on the face is the eyelids, followed closely by the inner corners of the eyes and the skin underneath the eyes. Thinner skin is more delicate, and so the eye contour is prone to specific problems such as crow's feet, puffiness, and dark circles. Crow's feet, the mechanism of facial wrinkle formation, is not fully understood due to the fact that there are so many influential factors. The eye area in particular is prone to wrinkles, so much so that there is a specific term, crow's feet, to describe wrinkles at the corners of the eyes. Crow's feet wrinkles also tend to be deeper than wrinkles in, say, your forehead. Differences in sebaceous glands, which secrete oil, may help explain this disparity. Researchers discovered that areas with more sebaceous glands, like the forehead, had shallower wrinkles than areas with few or none of the glands, like the corners of the eyes. Some common movements, like squinting and rubbing the eyes, also stretch and strain the skin, contributing to wrinkle development. On average, a person blinks 15-20 times a minute, which is up to 1,200 times an hour. Blinking accounts for about 10% of waking hours. The eye contour skin is the thinnest on the face, and the area is in perpetual motion and strain from constant blinking and eye muscle movements, causing increased aging in the area and making it particularly susceptible to wrinkles. Puffy eye bags. Another common skin concern is puffiness around the eyes, and many factors contribute to unwanted puffiness. Puffiness and dark circles often go hand in hand, and interrelated circumstances apply to the formation of both. For example, sleep deprivation leads to both puffy eye bags and dark circles. Lack of sleep can cause fluid to pool under the eyes, causing a puffy appearance. Elevating your head when you sleep helps prevent puffiness by avoiding fluid pooling under the eyes. Over time, the already thin skin around the eyes weakens and gets thinner, making the lower eyelid more likely to trap fluid and appear puffy with age. Other factors like allergies, genetics, and sun overexposure also play a role in the formation of puffiness. A cool compress helps drain excess fluid from under the eye, and tea bags can also be used, as they contain anti-inflammatory antioxidants and caffeine to constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness. Dark circles are a frequent concern, and there are many factors that can contribute to them. The sagging of the eye's outer corners with age can contribute to creating a droopy eyelid, aging the face, and casting a shadow over the rest of the eye contour, deepening the look of dark circles. Eye strain, an increasing concern from staring at phones and computer screens, can cause blood vessels around the eyes to enlarge and darken the eye contour as a result. Sleep deprivation also darkens tissues by causing blood vessels to be more visible. Another factor contributing to dark circles is the thinning of the under-eye skin, which gets thinner over time and makes the dark color of the underlying muscle more prominent. Extra sleep helps reduce the appearance of dark circles due to fatigue. With a busy daily life, it can be difficult to find extra hours to sleep. But luckily, skincare products with ingredients that are targeted to the needs of the eye contour area can help. One such ingredient is Fucus vesiculosus seaweed extract, which has been scientifically shown to stimulate skin activity and has strong antioxidant properties that reduce eye bags and wrinkles. Carotenoids and eye health. The importance of carotenoids to eye health is also well established, and it is known that consumption of carotenoid-rich foods can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, AMD. In spite of this knowledge, AMD continues to rise in populations around the world because people are still not getting enough portions of carotenoid-rich fruits and vegetables. The Lancet projects the number of people with age-related macular degeneration in 2020 at 196 million, increasing to 288 million in 2040. Today, new techniques have allowed for a greater understanding of exactly how carotenoids protect the eye. And this protection is even more critical in today's technology-driven world of indoor living, as we are constantly exposed to blue light, not from the sun but from the LED screens of our computers, smartphones, and iPads. It is thought that just 2 hours of using a digital device is enough to create eye strain, fatigue, and dry eyes. That is well below the estimated use of the average toddler today and far below the estimated 11 hours of the average American adult. Carotenoids, particularly lutein, zeaxanthin, and mesozeaxanthin, are highly concentrated in the retina, where they perform important physical and metabolic protective functions. They enhance contrast sensitivity, improve visual performance, and help filter blue light, which could otherwise damage the sensitive tissues of the macula and ultimately advance macular degeneration. Carotenoids working as antioxidants and, as possible, anti-inflammatory phytonutrients in the macular region assist in protecting our delicate eye tissues from free radical damage and oxidative stress. Start taking care of your eyes today. Remember, a healthy lifestyle and a youthful look are not events, they are lifestyles.